Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Kenai local and long-distance movers near me. 3 Movers guarantees that you will receive safe, cheap, and high-quality moving services in Kenai, Alaska. We not only want to achieve your ultimate relocation desires, but we also want to meet your moving needs. Long-distance relocation is a great challenge. Despite the fact that the procedure is unpleasant, you should begin planning as soon as feasible. The best approach to ensure that your move goes smoothly is to plan ahead of time. This will help you avoid unanticipated incidents, unexpected losses, and unnecessary delays. It also aids in lowering relocation costs while reducing time waste. When preparing for a local move, you may be inclined to start everything a day before the actual move. Local moves, on the other hand, should be treated with the same severity as long-distance moves. You'll be shocked at how much stuff needs to be organized. This is why you should begin by writing down everything. Before you move, make a list of everything you need to pack. If you decide to use movers, use expert movers such as 3 Movers. They are not only registered with the appropriate authorities, but they also offer a variety of moving services. They are as follows: auto transport, storage, packing and crating, assembling and disassembling of furniture, moving of containers, specialty moving, residential moving, commercial and office moving, overseas and international moving, military moving. When it comes to relocation costs, a number of factors play a role. For example, the amount of belongings you're bringing and the distance you'll be traveling. The quantity of movers necessary will increase the cost of the move as well as the degree of care required. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.